welcome to EduBridge. Today let's talk about history of cloud computing. Before the cloud emerged, there was a technology known as client-server computing, which is essentially a centralized storage in which all software applications, all data and all controls are stored on the server side. John MacCharty affirmed that computing may be marketed as a utility much like water or electricity in 1961 address at MIT. It was a fantastic idea, but like many great ideas, it was ahead of its time. During the following few decades, even if the model was popular, technology was simply not ready to support it. Salesforce.com began offering users application in 1999 using a straightforward website. Enterprises received the programs via internet, making the dream of computers as a utility a reality. Amazon launched Amazon Web Services in 2002, offering solutions for computing, storage, and even artificial intelligence. Yet, a fully commercial service that was accessible to everyone didn't exist until the Elastic Compute Cloud was introduced in 2006. Of course, all the major firms have participated in the development of cloud computing, some earlier than others. In 2009, Microsoft announced Windows Azure, and companies like Oracle and HP have all joined the game. This demonstrates that cloud computing is widely used. So that's all for today. Thank you.